Alright guys, my HAlO B just arrived in UPS. I'm doing an unboxing video of my HAlO B hopper. It is the just regular HAlO B, not rip drive or V35 chip, just a HAlO. Also ordered some anti-fog spray. It was $1, so you know. I also got whatever, barrel squeegee for like $1 too, and the HAlO. Alright, what's in the box? Yeah, got a little padding and the hopper. There's the hopper. HAlO B and instructions. So I'm be going out to the field like this weekend, test it out, hopefully get some videos of it. I might do another video with the hopper. I don't know. Alright, thanks.